Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Quizlet app. Here we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll scrolling down until you find this application of Quizlet and we click here in this page. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your